Okay, I'm going to show you how I clean my D1. If you think I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know, but this is how I've been doing it based on what I've learned so far online. At the moment you can see I've got the air assist attachment. You might not have this, but removing this is the exact same procedure. So basically, let's get rid of the air assist first, release the locking mechanism and slide the unit out. So because I've got the air assist, I need to unscrew that, take it away. Using the little, what I call an Allen key that came with the D1, you'll find these two little screws at the bottom. You just need to undo that slightly, both sides. This will be exactly the same if you have the non-air assist, which is basically this one. And again, because I've got air assist on here, I need to remove the air assist nozzle by loosening that one screw, and that will come off. Okay, so I'll set that down there. Set it down there. And then what I use is zero alcohol cleaning solution, because I'd learned online that apparently if you use any sort of alcohol on the lens, it can damage the lens. So I do this at the end of every day I've been using the D1, or if I've done a job that is particularly causing lots of smoke and soot. Do the lens first, just give it a wipe around in there like that, nice and clean, and then I use the dry end just to soak up anything that's on there. And then although, because I've got the air assist nozzle on there, I don't really need to do this, but you will if you haven't got the air assist, because you want to get all this soot and dirt off there. And just give it a quick rip around the crosshair lens. That's that done. And then what I'll do is I'll get another, these are just basically Q-tips, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. With that one. And you can see here now that the nozzle's got dirt on it, you'll see it'll come off. You can see that dirt coming off on the Q-tip. So I just basically go around and clean all down there. Do the sides while I'm at it. Clean there. And then whiz round inside the nozzle to make sure it's clean in there, and push the Q-tip up into the hole. Okay. Give it a quick dry and set that aside. Lastly, get another Q-tip, and then I just give the lens a quick wipe round just to remove any soot and dirt, which you can see there's quite a bit on there. Clean all that off, and that is the laser clean. Just put the lid back on my solution so I don't knock it over, and then it's just a case of repeating the reverse steps of what you did to dismantle it. Obviously putting the air assist nozzle back on, get the flat edge lined up, get in there, tighten, okay, then line up the air assist nozzle, pop her back in, that's okay. Again, just get those little screws there to bite. One thing I will say is I've seen a lot of people, what they do is they take the whole unit away from the machine by releasing this. Now I've had a lot of trouble trying to get this little clip out, it's really fiddly, and the last thing I want to do is break it, so I make sure I just handle it carefully, leave a little bit of slack there, and I've had no problems so far doing that. Stick the air assist nozzle back in. Tighten her up. Okay. Make sure the line's okay. Slip it back into the frame. Push back, and then feed the air assist back in. And that's how I clean my laser. Okay.